from, flipping houses or owning an apartment building to buy and sell a piece of land with nothing on it, right? Was that hard to
That
understand?
was hard for me to like grasp, because it's like, okay, what are you doing with this land? Are you improving it? Are you splitting it? Are you doing all these other things to make it more appealing? And the answer was no. And that was like the hardest part for me to like grasp. It's like, so then how are we buying this so cheap?
It's true. That's the funny thing. It's like, well, there's something wrong. Like, you go, okay, I bought this, I sold it. I now have $50,000 in my account that wasn't there a month ago.
Right.
What? Yeah, and I can do that again. Yeah, and do that again and again.
And it was just, it was mind-boggling to think about. And then you just have to trust the process. Yeah. And then once you get into the flow of it all, it's like, oh yeah, this does just work. And you have to be consistent with it, just like with everything. Well, the land business is no different. It's like you constantly have to be working at it and sending out the mail, constantly answering your phone, returning phone calls, and, just staying on top of the escrows and the real estate agents if you choose to sell with them. It's the same thing. It's just this consistency factor.
True.